Good morning, students. How are you, all of you? I think all of you are fine at your own homes. Already I taught you two part of the chapter, the tsunami. Today I will teach you third part of the chapter, students. So these days, students, guys, you know very well that coronavirus is spreading like wildfire. So you have to be extra careful all your activities. In this way, today I will teach you third part of the chapter. In this chapter, means it is told that animals have a unique speciality. So what are the main speciality of the animals? So let us see. To look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. So you see, students, here, when do you think this picture was taken? You see, there is a picture, there is a portrait is given on the top of your book, your textbook. To see, you see that there is a boy sitting on the table, or he has a dog in his lap. So in this way, you have to write a word and phrases. That word phrases are related to that person. Means this is the scene of a tsunami. You know very well. So means I mean to say it is before tsunami or it is after tsunami. So you have to write these word phrases according to it is after or it is before. In this way, students, there are some word meanings given in your textbook. First, gained. Gained means huge, or you can say big. And slammed. You know very well, slammed means hit hard. Hit hard. And number 3, flood. Flood means ran. And eyewitness. Eyewitness means I think you know, one who see incident. And screamed. Screamed means cried. And abandoned means left completely. And breeding. Breeding means laying eggs. And the last one is intist means attract. So these are the word meanings that are given in your first paragraph. Later I will tell you, when I will teach you next paragraph, I will write a next word meaning of the paragraph. So in this way, students, see third part of the chapter and first paragraph. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. You know, students, what happened on December 2004? A tsunami hit Indian coast and some part of Sri Lanka and Indonesia. Near about 1,50,000 people killed by that tsunami, means that waves. So in this way, before the giant waves slammed into the coast in the India and Sri Lanka, so you know, when tsunami waves hit hard the coast of India, means already I told you in first paragraph and second paragraph that means waves means tsunami hit Andaman and Nicobar island groups in India and Sri Lanka also. So wild animals, wild and domestic animals, already I told you that animals have a speciality about what was going on at that time. So they fled to safety. In this way, they ran away from a safety place to save their lives. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be induced to come back out. In this way, students, my dear children, you know, according to eyewitness, already I told you eyewitness means one who see incident, means such type of people. They told that elephant screamed, means elephant started crying when they felt that something was going to happen. So elephants started crying, and they ran away a higher place for saving their lives. In this way, there are many flamingos. They also abandoned means they completely left that place and they went a safer place for saving their lives. In this way, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be induced to come back out. In this way, when we go to visit a zoo, so we usually attract animals, and animals come near to, and we give them to eat something. So in this way we attract them, but on that day they completely denied, means they were not ready to come out from their shelters. So in this way, students, what happened in first paragraph, you know, means animals already they are aware of what was going on that day. In this way, students, your first paragraph finished. I will teach you next paragraph later. Thank you. Have a good day.